Or not. Okay, so finding an equation of a line given slope and a point. All right, so solve for A. Okay, so if I want to get A by itself, that's what solve for A means. What's the first thing that I have to do? I'm going to add 6 to both sides.
Can't see it.
Okay.
Still can't see.
Okay, so I'm left with 3A equals, and what's 15 plus 6? What's 15 plus 6? 21. Is the A by itself yet?
No.
Okay, what do I have left to do?
Divide 3.
Divide by 3. Okay, so A equals what? 7. Okay, number 2, solve for H. Okay, what do I have to do to get H by itself? I have to add J to both sides. So H equals what?
A equals JK.
H equals what? J plus K. Okay, number 3. Explain how you would use distribution to evaluate the following. Then do it. Okay, so if I were to evaluate this, 5 parentheses x minus 4, close parentheses. How can I rewrite this using distribution?
Multiply 5 by x and 4. Negative 4.
Okay, 5 times x and 5 times negative 4. So that leaves me with 5x minus 20. Okay? All right. So these are the steps that we're going to use, okay, for the following examples. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to write y equals mx plus b. Okay? The second thing you're going to do is you're going to plug in your x, your y, and your m into y equals mx plus b. What's the only thing that we're not plugging in? B, right? So that's what we're solving for. Number 3, solve for b. So we're going to try and get b by itself. Then the last thing we're going to do is use m and b to rewrite a new y equals mx plus b. Okay, so let's do the first example. Okay, so use y equals mx plus b to write the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, comma, negative 2. So what is my x in this example? What's my x? 5.
5.
Okay, what's my y?
Negative 2.
And what is my m?
Negative 4.
Okay, a slope of negative 4. So m equals negative 4. Okay, so my first step is to write y equals mx plus b. Okay, so what's my y? What did we say y was?
Negative 4. 2.
It's negative 2.
Okay, so negative 2 equals, and what's my m?
Negative 4.
Negative 4
Times
times, what's my x?
5
5
plus b.
plus b. Okay, negative 2 equals, how can I simplify that? What's negative 4 times 5?
Negative 20.
Negative 20 plus b. Okay, so now my third step, right, on the board it says solve for b. So how can I solve for b? Add 20 to both sides. Okay, I want to get this b by itself. So now b equals negative 2 plus 20. What's negative 2 plus 20?
18.
18. Okay, so I have B equals 18, and I have M equals negative 4. So now the final step, step 4, is to use B and M to write y equals mx plus b. Okay, so that's y equals, what's my m?
Negative 4.
Negative 4x, and what's my b?
18.
18. What kind of 18?
Positive.
Positive, so it's going to be a plus 18. And then I am done with example 1. Okay? So now let's move on to example 2. Okay. What's my first step? What's my first step?
Find x and y.
Okay, so what's my x? 0.
0.
And what's my y? 4. Okay, and what's my m?
Negative 3.
M equals negative 3. Okay, and then after that, what do I do? What did it say?
Plug it in.
Okay, but first I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. Okay, my y I know is 4. M is negative 3. Okay, what's my x? 0. And then we don't know what b is. Okay, so 4 equals negative 3 times 0? 0. Okay. Plus b. What's 0 plus b? B. So b equals 4. Am I done?
No.
No. What do I have to do?
Rewrite it.
You can't see what?
There's the top part.
It's on your notes though, right? So you know what's printed. Okay. So, am I done?
No,
Okay, what do I have to do?
rewrite the equation.
Okay, I have to rewrite the equation using what?
Y equals mx plus b.
Okay, and I'm going to use my b, and I'm going to use my m. So y equals, I know my m is negative 3, so negative 3x, and then what kind of 4 is it?
Positive.
Positive, so it's going to be plus 4. Okay, now am I done?
No. Yes.
Yeah,
I messed up.
so there's my answer. Y equals negative 3x plus 4. Okay? All right. Third example. What's my x? What's my y? Negative 3 is x, and 1 is y. Okay, and what's my slope? What's my m?
3, 4.
M equals 3 over 4. Okay, so first thing again, y equals mx plus b. My y is? What's my y? What's my m? 3 over 4. And what's my x? How can I write negative 3 as a fraction?
Negative 3 over 1.
Negative 3 over 1. Okay, and I don't know what b is, right? How do we multiply fractions? Straight across. So what's 3 times negative 3?
Negative 9.
Negative 9. What's 4 times 1? 4. Okay. Is the b by itself?
No.
No, what do I have to do?
Try. Wait.
What? Okay, I have to add 9 over 4 to both sides. Okay, so these cancel out. And then I have 1 plus 9 over 4 equals B. How can I write 9 over 4 as a mixed fraction, as a mixed number? What?
2 and 1/4.
2 and 1/4. So what's 1 plus 2 and 1/4?
3 and 1/4.
3 and 1/4. So B equals 3 and 1/4. Okay. Am I done with this problem, with this
No.
example? I'm not done. So I have to use my B and I have to use my M to rewrite y equals mx plus b. Okay. So y equals, this is my M, and my B, is it positive or negative? Positive, so it's going to be plus 3 and 1/4. Okay, and there's my answer.